My name is Dr. Jangpa Onsi. I am the president of Kuki student organization Shillong. Today, what happened exactly here is not because of something that has seriously happened or some untoward incident in Shillong, but this is some sort of precautionary measures meeting that the police have initiated, and they have brought us together, both the community, the Kuki community and the Meitei community here in Shillong, so that what happened in Manipur right now, the incident that happened should not continue here in Shillong. So the police have briefed us something about how we should take steps and what we should do in order to maintain peace and harmony in Shillong, because at this point of time, especially the people from both Kuki and Meitei are in high emotional trauma because of what happened at home. That is why we don't want, both from the leaders of the community and the police, we all try to work out so that nothing serious happened between the communities here, because students and family, they live here to come and study and for some government employment, but sometimes as a human being things escalated because of our emotional feelings. That's why in order to prevent all these drastic measures that will come out in future, we have a meeting convened by the DGP himself today, and we make an agreement that whatever things come out and in Shillong, and we will try to work out, and we will try to sort out in all angles, and we will work together in such a way that peace prevail. And above all, one thing I just want to add is, yes, we are grief about what happened at home. We think about our families, we think about our parents and our community, because some, in many places houses are burned, and then churches are burned, people are not allowed to stay at home, and some are not allowed to go out of their locality. And we fear that if this continue, it will adversely affect students here in Shillong, because they are the people, our parents are the backbone for our educations and everything here. If there is a problem back at home, it becomes a major problem. It's a big problem for people outside, because without them we can't survive for longer period of time. That's why I urge the government to take a big leap, a proper and peaceful solution, so that we will not suffer more from this moment onward. Thank you.
Council Secretary currently. Well, for today's meeting, the meeting is facilitated by the Director General of Police, and he had called us in this Darbarsnong Hall here in Limekra. He had called the community leaders, the elders, the student leaders and student communities from border communities. Basically, these two communities we all hail from Manipur, namely the Kuki communities and the Meitei communities. In fact, this meeting has been convened in connection with some untoward incidents happened in our hometown or your home state, Manipur. So somehow some stray incidences also started happening in the state of Meghalaya, where these two communities are residing here. Basically, the communities residing here are the elders who are working here, and then secondly, and mostly the maximum community members are from the student communities, both from the communities. So during the meeting, yes, for the communities, we are very much willing to join hands in prevailing the peace in the city of Shillong.
Well,
This is a very sad incident what we had seen and witnessed it in the state of Manipur, and then I believe and I hope the competent authority of Manipur will try to prevail the peace in the state of Manipur again, and this is very unfortunate. I will say that this is very unfortunate. In the communities of Manipur, that is Meitei. So these are, I hope and I believe these are all looked into by our competent authority in the state of Manipur.